Hello everyone, this is your friend Aniket again with another graphic designing tutorial. Today we would learn an awesome and easy graphic designing trick. So as you can see, I am using Adobe Illustrator once again, and I'm going to show you how to fill a word with text. Allow me to share an example like this one here. This is the best example for it. So let's start. First, type a word using the text tool. So type any word. I'm going to use black once again. Change the font. This trick works best with the bold font. So I'm going to increase the size of this word so that you can easily see it and learn this awesome trick. Okay, so now go to object, click on expand, make sure that object and fill boxes are checked, click OK, go to object once again, click on ungroup. Okay, so next step would be change the stroke of this word. Okay, so next step is we would need to select the characters with no inside spacing in it. So in this word in black, B and A has the inside spacing. You can see this space in B and this space is in A. Okay, this B and A has the inside spacing. So we would choose the remaining characters. So press the shift key on your keyboard, select L, select C, select K, go to object, go to compound path and click on release. Okay, so next step would be for B and A, we would use the knife tool. So click on knife tool, press and hold shift and alt key on your keyboard to make a straight line. So from here to here, draw a line, and do the same with character A as well. Shift and alt key and make a straight line. Okay, so now we are ready to fill this word with text. So choose any paragraph. I have already wrote this paragraph on a word pad. This is a random one. So Control C, copy this, click at the top side of the character B. First, no, you need to right click on the type tool, choose area type tool, click on the top side of the character B, paste your text here. Let's change the font as well. So let's choose Arial, italic, and reduce the size. 9 I believe would work best. So now paste your paragraph here. This looks perfect. So now, as you can see, we have already filled B with the text. Now how to do it with L? So for this, click on the selection tool and you would see a red plus box below the character B. Click on this. This would take the overflow text and paste it into the next character. So you don't need to drag or drop or something. Just click on this red plus box and click here. Do it again. Click on red plus box. Click on the next character. Same thing with C and same thing with K. So as you can see, we have already filled our word with text. So let's align this. So choose the entire word, go to paragraph and click on justify all lines. See, this looks good, right? Okay, so next step is we can change the color of the text which is inside the word. So click the entire word and choose any color of your choice. Let's make it blue. Blue doesn't look good. Let's make it red. So see, this is how you can fill a word with text. I hope this is the easy trick for you to learn, and I hope you would learn something from this video. Please like my video on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and I would come back with another awesome and easy graphic designing tricks on a weekly basis. Once again, this is your friend Aniket, and hope you would enjoy this video. Thank you.